Chuck Browning here. We're at a concrete pool renovation. This pool is about 25 years old, and we're doing a new coping tile and interior. And you see behind me the gentleman right over here, he's chipping below the old tile line. And we do that down 3 to 5 inches to allow the new interior finish to come up cleanly under the tile and therefore look like it did when it was new. And the other gentleman here is chipping off the tile so we can get back down to the original setting bed. We'll check that and grind it if necessary, make it smooth so we get a nice straight line. But these kind of preparatory things do a couple of things. One, gives us a chance to see how hard the substrate is, what kind of condition the original shell's in, and it also then allows us to put it back in a way that matches the old tolerances back to so that the pool itself doesn't look like it's been renovated. Sometimes you'll see the tile is put back over top of the old setting bed without a lot of removal of any of the thin set, and then it's building it out yet again, and that just makes for a weaker bond. So by getting back down to the old substrate, it gives us a better opportunity to not only keep the original proportions of the pool, but also to create a better bond. The interior then comes up flush with the bottom of the tile instead of diving back in towards the tile. These are kind of important details that make your renovation look more like a new pool and less like a renovation. Chuck Browning in this backyard till we meet in yours.